Hi there, I'm Kavya Sharma, and today we are going to talk about the second wave of the COVID-19 in the country. How deadly it is, how quickly it is spreading, who is it impacting the most. To give an answer to all these questions, I have made a comparison for you. I have compared the first wave that happened in September of 2020 to now the second wave of April in 2021. Let's have a look to some data and figures. So what does it tell you? It tells you that the virus is infecting more people in one single day, but that not only the thing that we need to understand. We need to understand that yes, the virus is infecting people, but how quickly that is happening. So look at this data now. From 8,000 to 98,000 back in first wave in 2020. The cases increased in 100 days. Cut to the second wave. From 8,000 to 98,000, the cases increased roughly in 50 to 60 days. So this tells you that the virus is infecting more people more quickly. The next scene that I saw in the comparison between first wave and the second wave is the age bracket, which are seeing the maximum impact of the virus. Back in the first wave, we saw that above 50 are getting maximum hit from the virus. So India developed new vaccine strategy. We started vaccinating our older generation first vulnerable more to ensure that they are safe. Cut to the second wave, what numbers are telling us right now is that it's not the old who are seeing the maximum hit from the virus. It's actually the young. It's actually the people who fall in the bracket of 18 to 40 years of age. They are infected most in the country. It tells you that India's young are now in the clutches of the virus and they really need protection. One factor for that is more and more people are going out to work. These are people who are in local trains. These are people who are saying that you stay at home, I will go out and do the groceries and I will do the work. And thus, in that sense, getting infected to the virus, carrying it home and making the elderly more vulnerable. So far, what do we have? We have more people infected, more quickly infected, lives lost, and now younger people are getting more and more infected. Sadly enough, while the virus is getting smarter, infecting, spreading, mutating, adapting faster and infecting our younger generation, apart from this, human behavior is not being so smart. We are still out on the road without the mask. We are still traveling and all our non-essential travels are happening. We are still meeting people without social distancing. If we look at the guidelines from the first wave to the second wave, then in the first wave, all of the interstate travel was not happening. You needed a certificate for that. There was a fine on a mask, air travel and non-essential travel was cut down. All of that is not happening anymore. So this is all for today. Do your bit, keep yourself and your family safe, follow COVID protocols and get yourself vaccinated. For more interesting and informative videos, please subscribe my channel.